Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a Facebook page custom URL or custom name. So let's go to the Facebook page first. After login to your Facebook page, make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. After login to your Facebook page, then you have to click on top left corner this Facebook page name. Then you have to scroll down till you find, you have to go to settings first. Then scroll down till you find Facebook page setup. This one, page setup. Click on page setup. Then you will find here name option. Click on view, and then you'll find here the username. Okay, you have, if you want to edit, you can edit by clicking on this edit action. Then you can see here that username is here. If you want to change it, you can just remove it and you can write anything here. Okay, but it should be small character. Now if you see that this green tick username is available, now you have to click on this save changes. After click on save changes, your username will be changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.